Now we are going to see the evaluation of accounting, that is the emerge of accounting in the present world. Okay, we are going to see that are all over the world. In India, 23rd centuries ago, Chandragupta Maurya minister Kaudilyar wrote a book called Arthasastra. Through this book, we can trace the maintenance of accounting. So 23rd century itself, Chandragupta Maurya, in his period, Kaudilya wrote a book about the accounting. Through this, we can trace the maintenance of accounting. Okay, then earliest days, stewards maintained the accounts for properties of wealthy people. Stewards means the கணக்கு பிள்ளைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்களா, that persons, he maintained the accounts only for the properties of rich people only. So this is the root of accounting for the next future period. Okay, he only maintained the debit and credit aspects of the healthy people, isn't it? This is the root for present accounting. The records of debit and credit found in the 12th century only. In 1494, Lucas Paciolo, an Italian, developed the double entry bookkeeping system. What does it mean? Double entry bookkeeping means for every transaction it has two sides. For coin, actually, for example, coin has two sides, no, then head and tail. Like that, every transaction in the business, it has two sides. For example, if we do the business do purchase means, so goods comes inside the business and the cash goes outside the business, isn't it? So பொருள் உள்ள வருது, காசு வெளியே போகுது. This is the main functions of double entry system. Okay, so due to industrial revolutions, joint stock companies were emerged. So due to industrial revolution, the production takes place on a large scale. To undertake the large scale production, which is a very suitable one, joint stock company is a very suitable one for undertaking large scale business. So for this purpose, to undertake large scale production, joint stock companies was emerged in that period. This joint stock companies requires the separation of ownership from the management. Joint stock companies are the main logo nuda sollala what both the person who create the company are distinct from the management. Okay, yes, so as to safeguard the interest of the owners. So persons ஜாயின்ட் ஸ்டாக் கம்பெனியில் யாரெல்லாம் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்களோ அவங்களோட ஓனர்ஸோட நலனை பாதுகாப்பதற்காக ஃபினான்சியல் அக்கௌண்டிங் வாஸ் எமர்ஜ்டு. ஸோ அப்போ ஃபினான்சியல் அக்கௌண்டிங் வாஸ் எமர்ஜ்டு மீன்ஸ் ஃபினான்சியல் அக்கௌண்டிங் என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா, the owner will be in one place, the company takes place in another place, isn't it? So அப்போ whatever the transaction takes place in the company, everything must be recorded in the books of accounts through an accountant. Okay, so அப்போ the owners or the shareholders, on seeing the records, he find out the real position of the business. Okay, so to safeguard the interest of the owners, what accounting was emerged, come out அப்படின்னா financial accounting அப்போ தான் வந்தது. In 20th century, a need for analyzing the financial statement arises. அப்போ ஃபினான்ஷியல் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டையும் அனலைஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்றப்ப நாங்கள் என்ன அப்போ மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்டு they want to know about the present condition of the business or running condition of the business. So here the owners also need information to know the financial position of the concern. Like that, the management also need the financial information for the future development, for infrastructure development, for expansion also, for to satisfy the both of them requirements. What was emerged means management accounting was emerged. This management accounting particularly analyzed the financial accounting and the cost accounting informations. Okay, so through this management accounting, after analyzing it, gives the report to the management for taking decisions regarding the business. So later social responsibility accounting was emerged. So due to the vast growth of the business, accounting nowadays becomes very important in the modern world of business. Okay, now I am giving the assignment. See the assignment and complete it. Okay, thank you.